Okay, so hello everyone, and once again after a long time, back on the YouTube, and so let's start today's a contest, which is a Division 3, which is held in the date of I think 12th of January 2026, and this is a mine 16th or 17th contest in the Codeforces, and let's see problem A, which is named as a social experiment, and in this contest basically I solved the 2 to 3 problems, and they all are good. They are using a different technique to approach the problem. And first here we see the problem A. Let's see. The question is in front of you. We can pause the screen and read, and after reading I'll just tell you that what's kind of thing is this, and how I can approach this problem into is 5 to 6 minutes, like this. See, here we see the right now the largest social experiment is an industry forces taking involving n peoples. Okay, so they are required from the team of 2 minus 3 peoples, not minus 2 2 3 peoples. Okay, let's suppose there is a civilization name A, civilization name B. So if there are 5 person in my team, so how I can divide the both so that both the parties have a minimum number of a difference, like if there is a let's suppose there is a 4 people, and I just want to give the both people into the civilization. I just want they both are going to a particular civilization, to join particular civilization. Okay, so I just divide the both into two groups because they are the two civilization. Okay, and I just want that each people have to approach a different teams, like team A having a 2 peoples and team B also having a 2 peoples. See, in the test cases, I hope you can read the question. Okay, after reading the question, see this. There is a 3. It's basically a test cases. We all know, and there is a 2 5 12, and the output is 2 1 0. So how this is possible? 2 2. You, I think you catch the concept. There is a 2 people. Okay, and I just want that the both go in the same organization. Okay, the maximum number of people have to go in the civilization is 2. We see in the question in the second line 2 to 3 peoples, after which each team choose 1 2 civilization to participate in the social experiment. Minimum 2, maximum, not maximum, it's up to 2 to 3 people. Okay, and see, there's a 12 people, so we need that the both the civilization have a equal numbers of person. So we just divided carefully. Okay, we just divided the half group, and we just tell 6% to join civilization A, and tell the 6% to join the civilization B. If we try run the code, I'll just make some notes for you. See, you have n people, you must divide the team size of a 3. Okay, 2 or 3 only, and each team picks one of the 2 civilization. All them team is civilization you want to civilize a equal number of people of a possible, so you want to continue. Okay, this is really happening. So we are splitting into a 2 chunks of 2 and 3. Okay, then assign the 2 chunks of 2 sides to make their total as equal as possible. And here's a key observation. You can pause screen and read. It's also good for your better understanding. And there is a final rule which is applicable in this code, but I also write a generic code set so that because it's a contest, you need to maintain the time limit, as well as the you need to write a short code for the better acceptance rate. And see, this is dry run example, the n equals to 2, so 2 modulo 4 is equals to 2, or we can say 2 modulus 2 is equals to 2. No, that's wrong. 2 modulo 4 equals to 2, that's why answer is 2, and only one team of the 2 all go to one civilization. So the difference is 2 minus 0 equals to 2. Okay, the minimum people going to the civilization is 2, always remember. And example 2, we see n equals to 5. So here if we say the authentic approach, why we can take a modulo 4. Okay, if you know why we're taking a modulo 4 here, so please comment out in the comment section that why I can take a modulo 4. I can just say, I can tell you a small generic code of mine, so that you can having a better understanding of how this question is approached in a different way. Like in example 3, 12 modulo 4 is equals to 0, so answer is equals to 2. Make 4 teams of 3. Make 4 teams of 3. Okay, so 2 teams go to civilization A, 6 people. 2 teams go to civilization B, 6 peoples. Here we're taking a modulo 4. It's basically a teams, a part of groups. Okay, 4 groups. Okay, like 2 groups going to the different civilization and 2 groups to going to the different organization. That's it. And 2 plus 2 equals to 4. That's all it. And see, I hope you understand that what question says. It's I think up to 800 problem rating problem. Sorry, rated problem. See, I'll tell you my submission. Here it is. Okay. So see, so my code, I taking the input n, okay, and there's return after if we do not get it, and if n equals to 2, we need to see out return n equals to 2. Why? Because after seeing the input and output, we need to maintain a time limit in the contest. I basically write a 2 so that you're having a better approach for the first test case, and n equals to 3, we need to see out 3. Basically, it's a not a correct code. I just tell you of mine approach so that how you can maintain your time in particular contest so that your rating is improved in contest you are given in a weekly wise or whatever you want to give, like a division 3 or a division 4. If n modulo 2 is equals to 0, we see out equals to 0. Okay, if the team are even, let's suppose not 2 except 2, if the team are even like 4 or 8 or 12, so both the groups having a civilization having an equal number of participants. So after we difference the both the people, like 4 people here, 4 people here, we got the value 0. Okay, I think I know this is an intriguing approach and I love this. So here I write a 0, okay, and then I write a C out 1, because after 3, if we got another odd value like let's suppose 5. Basically, these are the basic test cases which we cover earlier in my code. Okay, I hope you understand why I can take in this. Okay, and else we can see out 1. Let's suppose it's 4, 5, 7, 9, 13 and up to whatever you want. Okay, and then we are doing this as similar as in my another code. Always I doing this because it's a a pre-ready code where I always paste this code if I doing some contest, because it's save my time in the particular contest. And I hope you understand the code. Okay, if you understand the code, so please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel. And okay, I meet in the next video.